Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will be making this really pretty black lace nail set. If you are curious on how I made it, then please keep on watching. So let's get right into this video. As you can see, I already have my nails on and we are going to start with this pretty blush color from Pink Jellock. And we are going to paint this on all the nails except for the pointer finger. After curing the first layer, let's also add a second layer to get the best coverage. Let's move on to the pointer finger. This nail I'm going to cover with a black gel polish. I am using this black polish from Savvyland. This is the black French manicure gel polish. This is basically just a regular black gel polish, but with a brush that has a slightly pointed edge. This makes it easier to reach closer to the sidewalls when you are doing a French manicure, which is actually what we will be doing in a little bit on the thumb and the pinky. After curing, let's put on a second layer of this black polish. And if you, just like me, accidentally get some gel polish on your skin, don't forget to wipe it away with some rubbing alcohol before we cure it in the lamp. And let's finish this nail off with a matte top coat. When I'm working with dark colors, I like to apply the top coat with a separate brush to prevent any of the uncured color to get into the gel polish bottle. And this is the final look of the matte black nail after curing. Now I'm mixing a top coat with the black polish to create a sheer jelly black color, and I will apply 2 coats on the other 4 nails. Make sure to take your time applying this jelly black. You want to make it a thin but even layer. As you can see, after applying the second layer, the jelly black color has become just a little bit darker. After these layers are cured, let's move on to the French nail tips. As you can see, the edge of the brush helps me get pretty close to the sidewall. Do not worry if you don't own this polish though. You can also use a liner brush to create the lines for the French nail. If your lines are a little bit wobbly and you would like to clean them up, you can add some rubbing alcohol to a dry flat brush and carefully trace your lines to make them neat. Let's cure before applying a second layer. Now let's copy these previous steps to the pinky as well. I am now done with the design on the thumb and the pinky, but before moving on to the next design, let's apply a matte top coat to all the 4 fingers. Just a little side note, the stamping design on my middle finger is uncured and will be wiped off in a little bit. To make the fishnet kind of design, I'm using a liner brush to paint diagonal lines across my nail. Let's now add some diagonal lines in the opposite direction. If you like how the lines turned out, make sure to wipe off any excess around the skin before curing. Now let's move on to the fun part, the gemstones. Fun fact, this video was filmed before the last video, so this is actually my first time using gemstones on my nails. It got a little bit messy and I can definitely learn more, but it was fun. For the gemstones on this nail, I'm using a hard gel on all the places where the diagonal lines cross. For the thumb, I'm only placing 3 gems in 3 different sizes in the middle of the base of the nail. On the pointer finger and the middle finger, I'll be doing the same design, just a small line of gems following the cuticle. And once again, the pinky is getting the same design as the thumb. And to finish off this entire set, I am applying one last layer of matte top coat around all the gems and over the entire nail. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it just as much as I, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!